Good day, class. Welcome to RES 11, Methods of Research, and we are still here at Unit 2, writing the Chapter 1 of your proposal. In this video, we will talk about the definition of terms, why do we write this part, and how do we write this part. So this is actually the last part of your Chapter 1, your definition of terms. So your thesis proposal will likely include terms that are not widely known outside of your discipline. And these terms include particular theoretical constructs, formulas, operational definitions that differ from definitions or this could be discipline-specific acronyms. So this part of your proposal offers the reader a list of definition of these terms. So simply, what is it? So we all know what definition is, and we usually find the definition of a term from dictionaries, glossaries, thesaurus, or encyclopedias. But, this is a big but these are standard definitions. For the definitions of terms for your chapter 1, the variables to be considered should be defined operationally or as used in the study. So what is the operational definition of terms? How is it different from the standard definition of terms? So operational definition is the variables to be considered should be defined operational or as used in the study. So such expressions as academic achievement and intelligence are useful concepts, but they cannot be used as criteria unless they are defined as observable samples of behavior. So for example, academic achievement, these are academic grades assigned by teachers or their scores on standardized achievement tests. So academic grades assigned by teachers or scores on standardized achievement tests are operational definitions of achievement because this is very broad and you need to specify it in your study. How is academic achievement measured, or what is academic achievement? Why is the definition of terms important? It is important to define all unusual terms that could be misinterpreted in your study. So this is done to standardize the data and to make sure that you are on the same page with your readers. So the only way to ensure that the data is consistent is by means of a detailed operational definition of terms. So how you define such terms could considerably affect how the reader understands your thesis. For example, I have a nephew who's always asked how he define beautiful, and beautiful for him is someone with big eyes. So that's his operational definition of beautiful. So how do we write this part? So at this part is actually an alphabetical list of important terms or acronyms that you define, and particularly ambiguous terms or those used in a special way. You need to identify the characteristic of interest. So you identify the characteristic to be measured or the defect type of concern. Usually we define the variables in our statement of the problem or methodology so that it is clear when data collection is done. So next is you check the standard definition. So for example, for academic achievement, this is the standard definition. It's the extent to which a student, teacher, or institution has attained their short or long-term educational goals, and is commonly measured through examinations or continuous assessment, but there is no general agreement on how it is best evaluated or which aspects are most important, procedural knowledge such as skills or declarative knowledge such as facts. So this is encyclopedia or Wikipedia definition or the standard definition. So third is write the operational definition. So for example, for academic achievement for a certain study is academic grades assigned by teachers or scores on standardized achievement tests. Intelligence also could have an operational definition. It could be in a certain study, it's a score on a standardized intelligence test. Or be sure that you use these terms in a consistent fashion throughout your proposal and your whole thesis. And for your activity 2.8, you write the definition of terms of your chapter 1. So you can look into your statement of the objectives and methodology. What methods will you be using? And are there terms that you need to specify or define? So in this PowerPoint video, we talked about the definition of terms or 1.8 of your chapter 1, why this part is important and how we write this part. So that's it for chapter 1 and thanks for watching.